number 44672, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Cherilyn Cabatingan. I am 32 years old and I live here in Upper Banlatang, Nasora, Quezon City. I have 3 kids, 1 son and 2 daughters. They are 11 years old, 10 years old, and 5 years old. And we are 3 siblings, 1 brother and 2 sisters.
What is your educational attainment?
I am first year college undergrad, year 2011.
In what school?
Bethlehem College of the Philippines.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For myself, for my family, and also my future of my kids.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No. I don't have experience as OFW, but I have a before job in Cavite, Bacoor. Year 2022 to 2025.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
No, but I am willing to learn.
Do you have experience of taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for babies and children?
I give him taking a bath, feeding, play with them, and changing clothes and diaper.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Baking, cooking, and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese food like steamed food and vegetable, and Italian food like spaghetti, and Filipino food like adobo and sinigang.
Describe yourself as a housemate.
Honest and hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I apologize to them and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
We are a good relationship and they treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear mom and sir, if ever you will choose me, if ever you will choose me as a domestic helper, I will do my best and I'm willing to learn everything, and I promise to finish my contract with you for 2 years and more than. Thank you.